Why exercise to be well now? Because first, we know so much more than we ever did before about how the body and brain are designed to work together. But our ways of exercising have strayed from this science. And when you stray from the science, motivation, time, energy, and pain end up getting in the way, even if you know you should exercise and even if you know what to do. And that struggle with getting enough exercise starts to change the relationship with your body and your brain. You lose confidence that you can do what you want to do and need to do in life, and in your ability to get yourself to do what you know you should. And that ripples into your motivation to eat healthy and your ability to manage stress. I've updated the program so you can self coach your way step by step through restoring this relationship by practicing moving and motivating based on the way your body and brain are designed to work together. Exercising well changes your mindset about exercise, simplifying it. So right from the start, you feel better while building skills for self-motivation, eating healthy, and managing stress. This